Welcome to My IBISWorld. We have updated our website, and this video will take you through the visuals you will encounter when accessing a report. To locate a report, your users can use the search box to find the report most relevant to them. Let's look for hotels and motels in the US. Here, you can see the price of the report. You'll also find a field to enter the charge code, the relevant office, and the location or department of the user. The user can enter a message to send to the administrator when requesting access to the report, for example, needed for Project X industry analysis. The user is prompted to confirm their details and submit their request. Once the admin has approved the request, the user will have access to the report online for 24 hours. Please note, in this example, we are logged in as an admin, so we are immediately granted access. As the admin of the account, you can quickly access all of the open reports and requests from the account settings page. Clicking on Open Reports, you can quickly review all the open reports. This is just a quick tutorial. However, if you have any additional questions, please reach out to your client relationship manager.